Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money from Western Union to TD Bank in 2025. Whether you're receiving funds from family abroad or handling a quick transfer, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have a TD Bank account ready. If you don't, head to the TD Bank website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once that's sorted, gather your details like your account number and routing number. You'll need these for the transfer. Next, locate a Western Union service. In 2025, you can use their updated app or visit a physical location. Open the app and log in, or speak to an agent at a store. Select the option to send money to a bank account. Now, enter the recipient details, but wait, you're the recipient here. Input your TD Bank account information accurately. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. A simple typo could delay your funds. Pro tip: Western Union might require verification, so have your ID handy. Once entered, specify the amount you want to deposit and choose your payment method: cash, card, or even a digital wallet. Review the transfer summary, confirm the fees, which are usually transparent, and hit send. In 2025, expect faster processing times thanks to improved tech, often within 1 to 2 business days. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your TD Bank app or online banking for updates. You'll get notifications when the money arrives. If anything goes wrong, Western Union and TD Bank both have excellent customer support. Don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it, folks. Depositing money from Western Union to TD Bank is simpler than ever in 2025. Remember, always stay vigilant with your financial info to keep things secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.